So welcome to the very important and a very comprehensive course on Vedic Maths. With the help of this particular course, I have already explained that we will be discussing some sutras, some sub-sutras, and we will not just be focusing on speed maths and how to make a calculation faster. Yes, that would be a very vital part of it, but that would not be all. Like wherever you will have heard about Vedic Maths, they all talk mostly about the calculation part, but we will be discussing with you a very important concept, which is algebra as well. So this is a sequence of sessions based out of the same concept. Sutra number 5 was about linear equations, or basically one variable equations. Sutra number 6 and 7 talks about the two variable equations, but still in the form of the highest power being 1. Okay, so this particular sutra number 7 is what we are going to talk about in this particular unit for you. What does this particular sutra actually translates to? It translates into by addition or by subtraction. When some kind of linear equations are given to us, something like 4x plus 5y is equals to 20, and 5x plus 4y is equals to 10, and we have to solve it. So how do we do that? We do that by first doing the addition of it, and then doing a subtraction of it. We will be getting simpler equations, and then we'll solve those simpler equations to get the answer in a much easier way. Okay, so where is this particular sutra used? When we have to solve two linear equations and the coefficient of the variables are interchanged in both of them. For example, if one equation is something like, as I mentioned, 4x plus 5y is equals to 20, and the second one is 5x plus 4y is equals to, let's say, 18. Then we will be using such kind of equations because the coefficients was 4, 5 and got reflected into 5, 4, right? First the coefficient of x was 4, then it became 5, and similarly, first the coefficient of y was 5 and then it became 4. So in such situations, we will be using sutra number 7 with you. Okay, so such kind of questions, word problems converted into equations and then solved in such a easy way will be discussed in this particular sutra. Also, we will be discussing these 5 example questions. My request to you is just solve them yourself, make a timer, then watch these sessions and then see how much your time taken has been reduced from the earlier to now. Okay, and then you will start loving algebra. I am very sure about it. Okay, so this was all the things that we'll be discussing sutra number 7. So start learning and make yourself math genius with the power of Vedic maths. Thank you.